Hi guys, Patty here from Jungle Bird. I'm here at the Good Bottle shop. I'm going to show you how to make a 1944 Mai Tai, the original recipe. So we're going to take an ounce of Denizen. We're going to take an ounce of fresh lime juice. We have Pierre Ferrand dry curacao. We're going to take half an ounce of that, a quarter ounce of the small hands orgeat, and then also a quarter ounce of the syrup jam. At this point, you can either do an ounce of the caruba now and shake it all together, or you can wait till the end to make a pretty little float. I'm gonna take some ice. We're gonna shake. You can dirty dump everything right now, or you can strain it over new ice. Ounce float of the Caruba Dark. We're going to garnish with a lime wheel and a little sprig of mint. And that is how you make the 1944 Mai Tai. Aloha!